Hello. My name is Anna. Today I want to talk about the supermarket. Every Saturday, I go to the supermarket with my mom. Sometimes my sister comes too. We go in the morning, around 9 o'clock. Before we leave the house, we make a shopping list. We write down what we need: milk, bread, rice, eggs, fruit, and vegetables. The supermarket is close to our house, so we walk. When we arrive, we take a shopping cart. The store is big. There are many people, many lights, and many shelves. First, we go to the fruit section. We see apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. We pick some apples and bananas. My mom puts them in a bag and places it in the cart. Next, we go to the vegetable section. We take carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce. My mom likes to make salad. I like carrots. My sister likes tomatoes. We also buy onions and potatoes. Then we walk to the bread section. We take one loaf of bread. We also buy some cookies. Cookies are sweet, but we eat only a few. After that, we go to the milk and eggs section. We take one bottle of milk and a carton of eggs. We check the date to make sure the eggs are fresh. We also buy cheese and butter. Then we walk to the dry foods area. We get rice, pasta, and beans. These are foods we eat almost every day. Sometimes we go to the snack aisle. We buy one bag of chips and a little chocolate. My mom says we can have a treat. We smile. After we finish shopping, we go to the cashier. The cashier says, "Hello," and starts to scan the items. We put the food on the counter. My mom pays with her card. We take the bags and walk home. When we arrive, we put the food away. Milk and eggs go in the fridge. Bread goes in the bread box. Rice and beans go in the cabinet. We clean the table and rest. My mom starts to cook lunch. I like going to the supermarket. I learn the names of food. I help my mom. I practice English with the labels. It is a good activity. Thank you for listening to my story about the supermarket.